How to make money via online surveys in 2021. Do you want to make money online? Well, if yes, then you have landed at the right place. Hey everyone, in this video we will tell you how to make money via online surveys in 2021. But first, let's learn more about the earning process through surveys. A survey is a list of questions made to get the data or information from different people to know their views. These are useful to gather knowledge in many fields. Surveys can be offline, like you can take surveys by hand, or online, like on your electric devices. There are many types of surveys. The primary purpose is to understand how people are inclinational change with time. It is a comprehensive approach that is used to study many research questions. Before moving forward, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update. Without any delay, let's move towards the video. How to make money via surveys in 2021. There are so many websites from where you have to create your account and start working. Many websites offer paid surveys with different time limits and different prices. It depends on the time limit and how much time it'll take. You can earn money, gift cards, rewards, etc. by giving your opinion and answering the questions. There are some simple steps by which you can make money. Make an account. You can find a wide range of surveys from websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, etc. For making your account, you have a Gmail account, and you have to give your details for registration. After doing this, you have to select a survey of your choice. You get the points that you can convert into cash by your account. But the main thing is to find a good website, because some sites are legit and some are not. So you have to be careful while picking the one. Watching videos and promotion ads. On these websites, some promotional videos are also available. You can earn money by watching them. These ads are also paid and have the number of points, which add in your points and make more money. Somehow, these ads are also beneficial. So you can earn by surveys as well as by watching videos and promotional ads. Number 3. Giving the reference. When you give your reference to other people like your friends and family, you can get bonus points. It is also an advantage for both users. Number 4. No experience needed. You don't need any experience or any specific degree for doing this job. You have to use some common sense, and you can do it. You just have to answer the simple questions according to your opinion, and you can make money. Number 5. Payment process. You earn your money in the form of points, like 50 points is equal to $1. So you earned $1, and for earning more, you have to get more points. When you get a good amount of points, you can withdraw them in the form of cash. It can be a worthy idea for the students to earn some extra pocket money after college through surveys. So do your work and cash out your points. Because the survey companies need consumers for their work, they want honest feedback. And in return, you can earn money. You can make money in your free time through these surveys even if it takes some time. But you can earn less effort. So try it and make your time productive. That's all for this video. I hope you have an idea about the earnings through surveys. If you may still have some questions or any queries, tell us in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon with another fantastic video.